Rule number 3, act in a professional way at all times. Oh boy, the amount of times that I see salespeople lose a deal because they do not act professionally. I'll give you some examples. They get emotional. They get reactive. They get judgmental towards the prospect. They start getting biased and they're trying to swing and sway the prospect to make a decision because they're biased. You've probably heard before that one of the frames that you can use as a salesperson is the doctor frame. A doctor is supposed to be professional at all times. Their diagnosis and their prescription is not from an emotional state or a reactive state or a biased state or a judgmental state that you're a bad person because you've got overweight and then now you've got high cholesterol and you're at risk of a heart attack, or you're a bad person because you've been smoking the cigarettes. A doctor is supposed to do what's right, but not judge you in the process. And if you're being a difficult patient, they're not supposed to get emotional. They're not supposed to get reactive. I bet that if you audit the calls, the deals that you lost over the last 6, 12, 18 months, more of those deals would have been lost because you were not showing up as a professional. You were getting emotional, getting reactive, judging the prospect, being biased and trying to sway the conversation. So one of the core fundamental rules as a salesperson is at all times, act in a professional way. All times. No circumstance do you act like a child, do you act like a dictator, do you act like someone's parent. You act as an impartial professional that stays cool, calm, level-headed, and collected, and just diagnoses the prospect and then offers them the prescriptions that you recommend. So always, 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 if you want to make a lot of money, follow this rule. Act in a professional way at all times. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.